Wooden sliding blinds are a great solution if you are looking for shading under a half roof. In our case, the video shows a roof that does not yet have the transparent polycarbonate or plexiglass covering. The package includes pre-drilled slats. Insert the screws so they do not penetrate the bottom. Attach the slats on both sides to the lower part of the rafter. It is not necessary to pre-drill, just drive the screws into the wood. Place the blind material on the slats and lower it.